Ever wonder what's the sound of South Korea? It is the World Heritage Pansori. And what exactly is Pansori? The term Pansori is derived from the Korean words pan, meaning a place where many people gather, and sori, meaning song or sound. Pansori originated in the 17th century, the Joseon dynasty. It is a Korean genre of musical storytelling performed by a singer, SORIKKUN, and a drummer, GOSU. Now let's have a look at Pansori and its beauty shown in K-pop by BTS in the Idol MV. Many things caught the attention of ARMY in this MV, and it is the elements of Korean traditional culture, including the Pansori. So we can see here in the music video that they are wearing their traditional attire, HANBOK. However, we will be focusing more on the lyrics and music here. So the word "GOSU" in Korean is the response given by the drummer who agreed what the singer said in Pansori. Pansori itself is a traditional Korean music from the Joseon dynasty, which features a singer and drummer. Thus, the word "GOSU", if interpreted, can be okay or that's true. You can clearly hear the word "GOSU". Now notice the Pansori rhythm in the MV. There are typical sounds of Korean traditional music. Tonggi, dokgung, tururu is a beat of Korean traditional music. There are several beats in Pansori, and in all traditional Korean music when it involves drums or cymbals. Fun fact, every Korean learns this during elementary or in kindergarten.